Hi, this is Tim Herman with Herman's Pressure Washing. We do a myriad of things that can help you, from soft washing your home to pressure washing your deck, your pool deck, your driveway, your front walk. Those are our skills. We will do commercial pressure washing. We'll do pretty much anything that can be pressure washed. We want machinery pressure washed, boats, cars, we can do that too. And more importantly, we do it with a great deal of conscientiousness, care, custody, and control, and we do it as if you're doing it. So that's our objective, and we guarantee 100% satisfaction. Contact us at 843-715-2178 or our website at hiltonheadpressurewash.com. We very much look forward to working with you and being your partner for life.